What's the meaning of cram? Cram is to completely fill a place or container to the point that it appears to be overflowing. For example, the ashtray by the bed was crammed with cigarette butts. In this example, the ashtray was completely filled with cigarette leftovers, making it appears to be overflowing. Cram also means to study intensively over a short period of time just before an examination. For example, lectures were cancelled so students could cram for finals. In this example, students were able to study intensively when lectures were called off.